In the 1960s, a behavioral experiment captured global attention. It was called Universe 25, a controlled environment, unlimited food, no predators, a designed utopia for mice. And yet, the population collapsed. Over time, the experiment became a warning story about society, about overpopulation, about decline. But many interpretations simplify what actually happened. Here are 10 things people often get wrong about Universe 25. Misconception number 1. It was truly a paradise. Universe 25 provided food and safety, but space was limited. Social hierarchy formed. Competition emerged. A stable ecosystem requires more than resources. It requires structure. The environment was controlled, not natural. If it wasn't a perfect paradise, was overpopulation the real cause? Misconception number 2. Overcrowding caused the collapse. The enclosure never reached maximum physical capacity. The collapse began before true overcrowding. Behavioral breakdown appeared first. Social roles shifted. Order weakened. The issue was not just density. It was disruption of social structure. If structure collapsed, what happened to behavior? Misconception number 3. The mice simply became violent. Aggression increased in certain groups, but another pattern emerged: withdrawal, isolation, disengagement. Some mice stopped competing entirely. They focused only on eating and grooming. They were later called the beautiful ones. Who were the beautiful ones? Misconception number 4. The beautiful ones were superior. They were not dominant. They avoided social interaction, avoided mating, avoided conflict. They appeared calm, clean, physically unharmed, but socially detached. Their survival did not sustain the population. If reproduction declined, was it biological failure? Misconception number 5. The collapse was genetic. The experiment did not show genetic degeneration. The decline was behavioral. Fewer mothers cared for offspring. Reproductive patterns shifted. Social learning broke down. The collapse was social, not biological mutation. If behavior changed, why couldn't it recover? Misconception number 6. Removing stress would restore stability. Even when conditions remained resource-rich, social roles did not re-establish. Young mice did not learn normal behavior patterns. Cultural transmission was disrupted. Structure once lost proved difficult to rebuild. Does this experiment predict human collapse? Misconception number 7. Universe 25 proves humanity will collapse. Mice are not humans. Human societies are complex. Technology, culture, institutions, adaptation mechanisms. The experiment offers parallels, not predictions. It is a model, not a prophecy. If not prophecy, why does it resonate? Misconception number 8. It was purely about population size. Calhoun emphasized behavioral sink, a term describing breakdown of social norms under unnatural density. The key variable was social interaction, not just numbers. It raised questions about role stability and meaning. If roles matter, what about purpose? Misconception number 9. Material comfort guarantees stability. In Universe 25, basic needs were met, but psychological and social complexity was missing. No evolving challenges, no dynamic environment. Comfort alone did not prevent decline. Structure and meaning appear essential. If the experiment was limited, why is it still discussed? Misconception number 10. It is outdated and irrelevant. Universe 25 remains influential because it explores a timeless question. How does social structure affect behavior? It highlights the importance of roles, boundaries, learning, community. Its conclusions are debated, but its questions remain powerful. Universe 25 was not a prediction, not a prophecy, not proof of inevitable decline. It was a controlled experiment, with limitations, with insights, and with lessons about structure, behavior, and social balance. The question is not whether humanity will follow the same path. The question is, what keeps a society stable? Resources, structure, meaning. What do you think? Write your thoughts in the comments. More deep explorations of society and human behavior are coming.